Aquatech USA's Softwash system comes ready to go and is equipped with a 6.5 Honda industrial gasoline engine that drives our AT45GR gear-driven diaphragm pump, which produces 11 gallons per minute at 290 psi. The pumping system includes a pressure gauge to monitor the psi, Aquatech USA's exclusive tankless clean and flush valve designed to rinse the solution out of the pump to extend the life of the pump, and an adjustable bypass valve that diverts the solution back to the holding tank when the trigger gun is closed or when the operator wants to lower the output volume and pressure. The pumping unit is mounted to a corrosion-resistant polyethylene constructed soft wash solution tank and an all-wetted parts stainless steel and aluminum constructed industrial hose reel that holds 300 feet supplied chemical application hose. The application hose is a durable half-inch ID hose with flexural ag-ribbed outer cover to help prevent wear and maintain a long life. The hose is rated to handle up to 800 psi, almost 3 times the unit's operating pressure, and comes in an orange color to be highly visible for safety purposes. The adjustable spray gun wand is rated to handle up to 25 gallons per minute at 850 psi and a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The wand is 26 inches in length with a variable long-range spray nozzle to reach a distance up to 30 feet, so that the cleaning solution can access roof eaves, upper story windows, and other such areas. This gives the operator the ease, convenience, and safety of not having to use a ladder or scaffolding. The complete unit's dimensions are compact enough so that the whole system can fit in the bed of a standard pickup truck, and the frame has built-in fork pockets to easily move and load the unit with the use of a forklift. The Aquatech USA Softwash is a complete, reliable, durable, industrial-duty system designed to hold the constant daily use and heavy workload that perfectly meets professional contractors' high expectations and cleaning needs. Aquatech USA has been an industry leader in cleaning equipment trade since 1988 and sells, services, and rents only the highest quality and best product that will guarantee our customers years of reliability for the longest lasting equipment that is serviceable by their trusted team of trained and experienced technicians. Contact one of our sales team personnel to schedule a visit at our showroom or your location to demonstrate the Aquatech Softwash system. Give us a call at 908-852-6110 or email us at info@aquatech-usa.com.